Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. I'm super excited about today's video because I have in new in pieces from Liverpool, and I'm going to pair them with brand new shoes from Dolce Vita. A couple were on clearance, but some are brand new for spring. I can't wait to dig right into it. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks. They're all lined up here on the couch. I think Dexter's the only one you can see. Loki's white pepper, and we also have Willie, my son's dog. Please stick around, hit that subscribe so we can keep on creating new content for you. It's the only thing that keeps me going on this channel. All right, so I love Liverpool pieces. I decided to go out to their site and really check out what they have for the spring season, and I was super happy with their selection. We're gonna start with the outfit I have on right now, and I am absolutely loving these pieces. I put a black tank on because I didn't buy any tops. I bought bottoms and jackets. So I'll just leave this black tank on as we get through the video. All right, so first up are these pants. These are, I believe it's called the Gia glider, right? So they just slide right on. This is a real button, but a faux zipper, real pockets. I find my pocket. This fantastic black pinstripe running through it. It's at the ankle bone, has a little bit of a kick flare there at the bottom. I am 5'5" for reference. I did try these pants in my normal size, which is a 2. I ended up sizing up, so these are the 4. I like them much better since they're more of a slimmer fit, though they do have some stretch. So how cute are these? I'm really enjoying this little pinstripe. Dress it up, keep it casual. I paired it with this fun jacket. It's a lighter weight material, cotton and lyocell. Feels so nice on, has some stretch. You can see it's hitting right at the bottom of the waistband, right at mid-hip there. Lots of room. This color is so fun, like a terracotta. Love this. You can see the sleeves. I rolled one up, kept one down for you, so you can see it's a little long on me, which is not unusual. That usually happens to me, so I always tend to cuff them. They have the little button. They are a little wider, so it's easier to cuff them, as you can see here. Super cute. You could wear it buttoned if you wanted as a top. Be really pretty for work from home or in office. Nice and flowy. Nice fabric. I really like this whole outfit. Paired it with these fantastic Dolce Vita shoes I have had my eye on for quite some time. They went on sale and I had to grab them. I love that they have the open heel, so it's just a fun little mule with a kitten heel. The strap going across the foot here, and that keeps it from doing the flapping, since it's high enough up that when you walk, you're not going to hear flap, 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 which I love. Here's what they look like. So they have that mesh on the top. This fun thin little strap does not hurt. They have a squared off toe, like little squared toe right at the tip. They have the kitten heel, but it widens, so you're not going to hopefully get any wobbliness or get caught in the cracks, which is always a concern of mine. Love these. These I got on sale during their clearance. So I love these. These are like a 3-season shoe, right? If there's snow on the ground, I wouldn't wear them. But otherwise, they're something that I would definitely grab for. All right, so for these items, the shoes are called the Lloyd Heels in Onyx Mesh. I got them on sale for $69.99. Then for this cute little jacket, this one is called the Oversized Crop Denim Jacket in Red Clay. I'm wearing an extra small 109, and for the Gia glider crop flare with the wider hem, I'm wearing a 4, as I said, 119. They do have discounts, I believe. If you sign up for email, text messaging, you can get 20% off your first order, but I'll put my link down below as well, and we'll see if you can get any money using my link. But definitely sign up for the emails if not, so you can get the 20% off, because that's how I got 20% off these pieces. And both of these pieces, I have matching bottoms, tops to go with them. So I have a cute little matching jacket to go with the pants, pants to go with the bottom. So this will also be a great mix and match, which I think all these pieces could be mixed and match, but easier packing then. Next up, how about the matching jacket? Do you not love this little peplum bottom? Just add something extra. I think this is so cute as a set. You could wear it open, wear it closed as a top. I did have to size up in this one as well, which is so odd, but this one is a small. I do actually have extra room now, but this is where I needed it. As you can tell, there's not a ton of room through the chest, so it is a little smaller through here. Keep that in mind. You're going to want to fit the chest, right? So I did size up, and I love this. I'm trying these all on for the first time with you. I did run through when I got it the first time just to be safe, but I haven't had time to try them back on. So I'm so glad these pieces are now working, and I think this is an adorable set for work, for an outing, for a date night, for brunch, all the things. There is a little bit of stretch in here, but not a ton. It's hitting right at the mid-hip area. The sleeves are a little bit long, but I could also cuff them. Love the little back. And then I switched my shoes, and now I have on a little kitten heel, so you could dress this up for an office look. These are adorable. They have a little bit of gold on the tie, and they have a lace front so that they're a little bit open with a pointed toe. I did have to size up in these. I'm normally an 8. That's what the rest of the shoes are going to be. These are an 8.5. How adorable are these? I think these would be great for a conference in case you have to dress up, but you have a lot of walking to do. This would be a really nice option if you're presenting. I think these would be great. Love this whole outfit. Here's what this looks like open, just so you can see the flow of the jacket. Still very, very cute. I like it. Of course, I picked these pieces, so I'm going to like them, so that's a given. All right, so for the Fit and Flare trucker jacket in the nautical stripe, I'm wearing a small 129. And for these shoes, these are called the Clary Heel. I got them on sale for $79.99. Next up, I love these pants so much. All right, so I typically do not like any type of pleated pant. It doesn't look good on me. It usually doesn't lay right. It usually adds to the wet width of my body. These do not. These are adorable. In fact, I like them so much. We're just going to cut this tag off right now to get it out of your way so you don't have to look at it. But if you can see, they drop. So the pleat, instead of starting up here, starts down here, and I think that makes the world of difference. These are flowy, have lots of room in them. Such a great dress pant. They're a tiny smidge long on me, but a little heel. This one is not a big heel, you can see, will work to get them off the floor and drape the way they're supposed to. Such a pretty, pretty pant. You could wear it with either of the heels I've shared with you so far. Would be really pretty. I want to make sure I get to show you all the shoes that I have, so I switched into this neutral. This one is a really cute slide-on wedge from Dolce Vita. I think that would be a staple in your closet for all things from shorts to dresses and everything in between. So, so pretty. I wish I could explain to you how comfortable these pants are. Like, you're going to want to wear them all day long. That's how they feel. So nice. And the drape is perfection. I have on the extra small in these, the 226, which is my normal size. So I do think, at least for my body type, sizing with Liverpool seems to be all over the place. I could need a 0, or I could need a 2, or I could need a 4 in pants. It varies. Jackets, I am usually an extra small, so I was surprised about the pinstripe jacket that I had to size up, but in order to give myself the room in the chest, it was just the better way to do it. But this would also go great over top of this outfit. How cute is this? You could pop on a colorful shoe if you wanted, but I think this is a nice dressy outfit for any events you might have coming up, but staples that you can wear in a casual manner as well. So easy to mix and match. You could even button this, which I think gives it another fun look. Maybe don't go quite as high this time. How fun is this? You can also cuff these sleeves. That also helps to show a little bit of arm. So cute, right? All right, so for these, the high-rise pleated wide leg trouser. As I said, I'm wearing a 2, 119, but I got everything that I'm sharing with you, I did get on sale. except for the shoes. Some of the shoes I did pay full price for. And this I think was one of them. So this was the Quayle Wedge Camel Suede shoe. I have on my normal size, which is an 8, $135. They did have a sale going on, which is when I do think I did get a discount. They had a sale going on, which is why I went down the rabbit hole of the Dolce Vita shoes. So I do believe I got, I think it was 20% off these as well. Let me know what you think. Next up, all right, how about these fun crop pants? These are in a cargo pant. I was nervous about sizing, and I sized up in these, so I have a 427, but I do have quite a bit of room. I might just leave it and see if they shrink a little bit and keep them this way because I wanted them to be more relaxed than to be tight. They have these big pockets in the front. They're in this awesome, stretchy, breathable fabric. Be great if you are going to be in a warm climate, need something super comfortable. The pockets in the back, hitting me right at my ankle bone. Paired it with these amazing, amazing sandals. These are just a cute flip-flop, but they have the gold and the shell detail all around the strap, which is adorable. And I'll give you a close-up look. So check out these pants. So comfy. And yes, they pair back to this fun jacket. So if you wanted a little set, here you go. Second one. Adorable, right? I love this. And you could also pair it back to this jacket if you wanted. It looks really cute and brightens it up a bit. Adorable. All right, so for these little flip-flops, I say grab these before they sell out because I feel like they're going to. Are they not adorable? I love this. They're a complete flat. They do not hurt. I've already worn them because I couldn't wait. I was so excited about them. I couldn't wait to put them on. So I did. I love this whole outfit. Love it. All right, so for the high-rise stride wide leg cargo crop, as I said, I'm wearing a 4 in red clay, $109. And for these adorable shoes, these are the Kesha sandals in natural raffia. $120 is the regular price. Another great denim alternative. How about these brown pants? I love these. Again, really lightweight, hitting me at my ankle bone. Pockets in the back, besom pockets in the front. You could so easily dress these up or keep them casual. The fit of them is so nice. I did size up in these again because I wanted them to be roomy and I want them to be tight. So that's why I have lots of extra room. I feel like these are even a little bit better of a fit than the previous pair I showed you in the 4. I would say this is perfect. Love this brown color. You could wear this again back to either of the jackets. Even though this is a black pinstripe, it still is going to go so pretty with the brown. The same with this. How pretty is this together? Bringing all those earth tones together. And then I paired it with this really great mule. I love these. So it has a little bit of that meshy in the front with the raffia. Tiny little kitten heel. I love these. I'm even loving the deep scoop here. And they actually have like cushion right here where I'm pressing. This is all cushiony and you can feel it when you slide your foot into it. How adorable. AZ, you'll grab for those for all of your dressier events. So the Clio loop heel, natural raffia. I'm wearing my normal size 8, $125. And then for these pants, these are called the high-rise crop wide leg. As I said, I'm wearing a 4 in mocha brown, $109. I have one more item to share with you. All right, so final item, I had to throw in a traditional denim for you, and these are fun and unique, I think. So they are a wide leg, and they have this fun seam going down the sides. You can see where they have this extra panel, and then it kind of veers out at the bottom. They're not too long, which I love. For me, I'm 5'5", as I said, so I only need a little bit of a heel, and this tiny kitten heel does it to get me up off the floor. I feel like they have a very elongating design to them. They have the utility pockets here in the front. Now these I have on my normal size, which is a 2. Again, these fit perfectly. So I do think that trying things on helps. So I do think that you're just going to want to make sure that you return things if they don't fit and get the right size, just like I did. It was easy. Went out to the site, picked the items, returned them. You can pick exchange if you want to get the next size. It was super easy, and I got the items pretty quickly. Like the wash on these, I feel like you can dress these up or keep them casual. And again, they're going to go with either of the jackets. How cute. So I feel like we have a really great mix of items here that'll be perfect to get you through work from home days, work days, and everything else as well. So this pair is called the Stride Wide Leg with Utility Details. As I said, I'm wearing a size 2. $119 was the regular price. And that's a wrap on all my pieces. We got through so many fun shoes. I love the items. I can't wait to wear these styles. So check out my outfit of the day. You can see them in live action. And thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, swipe to hype, and all of these pieces I shared with you today. The links will be down below in case you'd like to check any of them out. See you, everybody.